guys, welcome to RevTune TV. Muzzer's back, baby. We bring back the drift car. First episode. I found this bad boy hiding in a paddock out in Picton. It's the old Shoreflow 300ZX drift car, and we brought it back to life. There was a goat chilling on the bonnet when we picked it up, and it's full of a bit of cat hair. But stay tuned on this episode. I'm going to show you the steps we took to bring it back to life. It did start and run enough to drive it onto the trailer. It's got no brakes. Clutch is a bit dicky. The tyres are flat. I don't know how old the oils are, but we're going to go over the car, get a track ready, because in 2 weeks' time, Ben Neal from BCW hooked us up with a spot to drift at Eastern Creek, Friday night drifts, and I've got 2 weeks, if I can, to get this bad boy back on the track and get it out there drifting and getting angry. Guys, I've got a few little apprentices to help me. We've got Ryan and I got Anthony. So you guys loving the drift car?
Yeah.
Are we going to get this bad boy ready? 100%? 100%? 200%. What do we got here, Ryan? What's this?
The car.
What type of engine we got? V8? Turbo? Correct. We have both. V8 and turbo. All right, boys. Let's get the action.
Okay.
You ready, Anth?
Yeah.
You ready to do some fat skids?
Yeah.
Yep. All right. All right, let's see if this bad boy runs. I don't know what a pizza box feels like. What's that? A roof hit my head. All right, what's everyone think is going to start?
No.
Panda.
Kinda? All right. Power. Ooh. Woo! We have power. Where's the start? All right, ready? Start time.
Oh yeah. Yeah. She loud.
She started pretty good, boys, so that's a good sign. All right, boys, so we're going to pull the roof off, eh?
Yeah.
So look underneath here. There's a lever. All right, that's that one. Oh. All right, we'll take the roof off. So
Old man.
this is cool as. Look at that. How good is that?
Car.
That's mad. We're going to drift with the roof off. Put our hands out the window like gangsters. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
No, don't miss again or you slam into the wall.
No, that's gold. You got to do that's gold.
You slammed into the wall.
I only once I hit the wall. Right. Don't bring up bad memories, Anth. There we go. Look at that. All right, we have a convertible drift car. That's hot. How hot is that?
Mhm.
All right, so next step. This car's got a full fiberglass rehatch. It's like a race car. So we're going to take the rear hatch off. All these pins are a bit rusted, bit in the weather. Gives us easy access to this car to work on. Be careful. Yeah. Get the pin off it. I'll lift it a bit, yeah. Let's go behind. On the grass, be nice. 300ZX hatchback, you got to have an enclosed fuel cell. So that's why they've boxed it. If it's in like an S13 and you've got a sealed boot, you don't need a box fuel cell. So what's the vacuum cleaner hoses do, boys? I don't know. What's the slinky? It's got slinkies. What are they? Oh, they're nothing. Are they even connected? Pull them out?
No.
Yeah.
That's not Not connected.
Just put it behind, pull them out. Let's have a good look what we got. So slinkies, don't know what they're for. It's got adjustable coilovers.
Vacuum.
It's got a hectic cage, this car. That's the battery box. Pull the battery box lid out. I'll need that. Fire extinguisher, it's probably out of date.
This is really old one.
We got race harnesses, they'll be out of date probably too. I have to upgrade the harnesses. It's got a like a NASCAR net look. Oh, that goes on the roof here.
Yeah.
There we go. Go in. There we go, look at that. So because this car has no windows, for circuit racing you've got to have a safety net. So we don't really need that for drifting. But at least I got the option if I want to take it on the circuit. We've got the safety net, so it's pretty cool. So that's there as well. And then in here, come show inside. So we've got the battery located at the front there under the glove box, where the glove box used to be. At your OBD2 port for your computer. That is the computer. Looks like a standard LS1 computer, probably remapped. Then we got a lot of animal hair. Yum yum. Seats are in good nick, but what brand seats are these? Don't know. Does it
The
say
brand McDonald's.
Doesn't say what brand seat it is, but they look alright. Ooh, C-spanner for coilovers. We've got a dinosaur fire extinguisher that probably doesn't work anymore. Through here, hydro handbrake, which I'm gonna change the setup to probably a high pull style. Then you've got your T56 transmission, which this box has basically been souped up. And then we got like race car style pedals here with looks like a child's accelerator. I don't know what the go is there, but we'll have to fix that up. Go fix up the brakes. It's got fuel gauge, oil gauge, water, RPM, boost tacho. I don't even know what boost this thing makes. Apparently it makes 680 horsepower at the tyres. But I want to get this run on the dyno. I don't think we're gonna have enough time to dyno it before the track, so we're just gonna send it, and hopefully we don't melt a piston. And then later we'll put it on the dyno and we'll give it a fine tune. Yeah, then you got all the missile switches. Wouldn't have a clue what this does. Don't know. More missile switches. But yeah, let's get onto it. Got Anf giving it a vacuum. Pull this inserts out of the race seats. Found a couple more C-spanners under the seat, which is good to adjust the suspension. Just going through it. Look at all the cat hair. Meow. Oh, it's either cat or rat hair. What is it, Stacey? Cat or rat? Yum, 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 yum.
No rat.
Cat or rat, one of those. Here's another net. Oh, that's a bit dirty. I have to clean that up. It's got a hectic cage in this car. Look at the cage in it. It's full on. But it started first shot, so it's looking good. So we just give it a bit of a clean up so we can see what we got. Then we're going to jack it up. Actually, I want to get the blower in here and have a look inside the tank. This fuel's been in here for years, so I'm going to take this foam off. That's rubbish. Just cut that off too. Yeah, mad, eh? It's pretty light, this car, with all the panels off it. Look at it. It's not much of a car. It's all fiberglass. This thing must weigh. I'd like to put it on a weight bridge and see what it weighs. So this is the fuel cell setup. I had a look in the tank already. There's heaps of dirt and stuff in there, even metal. Looks like metal filings in the tank. I saw. So it's a bit hard to see, but yeah, it's not looking too good. So I'm gonna have to flush the tank, clean the fuel filters and stuff. It's got 2 Bosch fuel pumps, look like 044s. And then you've got a surge tank, looks like maybe a 2 litre, 3 litre surge tank, and then it's running 2 Holley fuel pump pickup pumps. So it looks like 2 low pressure Holley fuel pumps here. They supply the surge, and then from the surge you got 2 044s that go into a divider. Then it's must guzzle some fuel, this car, man. The fuel line's huge. That looks like a 3/4 inch fuel line.